I'm Sagandako Araya, 8th grade student. Gabit Musrepov. Gabit Musrepov was born on 22nd March 1902 in a village located in Kostanay region, then belonging to the Russian Empire. Between 1923 and 1926, he studied at the Faculty of Works in Orenburg, and then at the Agroeconomic Institute at Omsk. He started his literary career in 1925, writing his first story, To the Abyss, in 1928, about events that occurred during the Russian Civil War. In 1928, he collaborated at the literary journal Jana Adebiyat. Among his works stand out Kizjibek, first libretto to a Kazakh opera, Poet's Tragedy, that dealt with the tragedy of Akan, a Kazakh singer and composer of the 19th century. He was president to the Union of Kazakh Writers between 1956–1962. Secretary of the Union of Soviet Writers and members of Fifth Convention of the Supreme Soviet of the Soviet Union, Deputy to the Supreme Soviet of the Kazakh Soviet Socialist Republic. He died on 31st December 1985 and was buried in Kansai. His works: Fire of Lakes, Shugula, Stupid Nostril, and Kazakh Soldier, The Waking of the Region, Ulpan. His plays are Kizjibek, Amangelde, Kozu Korpesh, and Bayan Sulu.